She'll be dead by the age of 2, working night and day, beyond exhaustion, worked to death. In scorching heat, no shade, no water, no rest. It's brutal. Please help end this relentless cycle of misery. People need working animals, and those animals need Sparna, the Society for the Protection of Animals Abroad. People come to our clinics desperate for care for their sick, exhausted and crippled donkeys. Will you help? Together we can give them shelter and water. Help poor people care properly for these animals. Give them longer, healthier lives. Help us be there every day. Just £5 a month can transform life for these hard-working animals. To save her from a life of misery, call now on 0800 294 3636 or visit sparna.org today.